Look, we're going to give this a try. Zero stabilisation. Hell or bust, God bless. Okay, here we go. This is phenomenal. Don't know how long it's gonna last. It's a magical feeling. Bit of rudder, bit of elevator. Could have done with a bigger field. Half throttle. Feels like things happen fast, but maybe not. Try with a bit of stabilisation, perhaps. See if it'll help me. Bring her around towards me first. That's midways. How does that work? She still wants to dip. Oh crikey, don't like this. Back off the stabilisation. Maybe some flap. That's a bit of flap. If I can land this, baby. Ah! Mother of Mary! Whoa! Whoa! Jesus! Ah, crikey, Mother of Mary! That wasn't skill. That was flipping something. Whoa! Yeah, zero stabilisation. Dumbass! But I might have saved my skin. Oh, crikey, Mary. That's full flaps. I was on mid flaps. Flaps off. Woo! Genie thanks. Alright, look. Look at the state of it. This needed that. I needed that. It stayed up. I know it's a beginner plane. I understand that. But this has face planted so many times. That landing was, I think, just from the gods. That wasn't my skill. She's been through hell and back. So now that it seems it can fly, we gotta make this thing presentable. Think stabilisation features, there's something there we need to find out about, but that was immense. Immense.